Have you ever stood at a crossroads and felt completely frozen? Not because you didn't care, but because you cared too much. That paralysis before a big choice is one of the most deeply human experiences there is, and you're not alone in it. People have been wrestling with it for thousands of years. When life gets loud, when a decision feels urgent, when everyone around you has an opinion, when fear starts whispering in the back of your mind, the most powerful thing you can do is pause. Just pause. We live in a world that rewards speed, quick replies, instant answers, fast choices. But some decisions deserve more than that. You deserve more than that. A few moments of stillness can be the difference between a choice you regret and one you stand behind. The push and pull we feel inside when we're deciding something important. You know that feeling your head says one thing, your gut says another? That's not a flaw in your thinking. That's actually two different kinds of wisdom working at the same time. There's the analytical side, the part of you that makes lists, weighs pros and cons, thinks things through logically. And there's the intuitive side, that quiet, persistent feeling that something is right, or that something is off, even when you can't quite explain why. And her greatest lesson here is simple. Don't silence either voice. Let them talk to each other. Logic asks, does this make sense? Intuition asks, does this feel true? The best decisions usually need both answers to be yes. But here's the part nobody really talks about. Even when you've paused, even when you've thought it through, even when both your head and your heart are pointing in the same direction, it's still scary. Because deciding means committing, and committing means you could be wrong. Wisdom without action is just daydreaming. At some point, you have to choose. And yes, you might not get it perfectly right. Most of us don't. The cost of never deciding is often greater than the cost of deciding imperfectly. When we avoid choices, we don't escape them. We just hand the steering wheel to chance.